Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this CVLIFE magnetic scope leveling kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. This here comes in two pieces. You've got one that will go on your scope cap, the other one that'll go on your receiver. These here are made out of metal and they are magnetized. So, if you have steel or iron bases and you have some type of steel or iron in your scope caps, it will stick to it and make sure that it stays put while you're adjusting your cant. So basically, very simple to use. You're going to put one on your scope cap. You're going to put the other one on your rail. Once your bubbles match up, you know that your reticle is level and you can cinch everything down and preserve your long range accuracy. So, the importance of having your reticles level is that, when you're going out to distance, especially on these tactical scopes, when you're dialing them up and down in different places, if your reticle is canted at all, if you start dialing up, it's going to go up into that direction. And so your long range accuracy is going to be off by the degree of your cant. And that's what these here are for. These here basically help to remove the cant out of your installation process. So very useful tools here, guys. This here is a really nice set for making sure that you install your scope level and plumb and make sure that you're hitting your targets downrange. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps.